All right, peace and black power, everybody. I want to welcome you to another episode of Max Crypto News, where we talk about this intangible cryptocurrency coins at all times. Like always, family, I want to thank you for taking the time out to be here. You can be anywhere else, Like the video, subscribe to NCRBGZ Productions on YouTube. Leave a comment. Matter of fact, I'm gonna share my page and let you see where to go. I will be moving Mass Crypto News to NCRBGZ Productions on YouTube. This is the actual YouTube channel. You just type in NCRBGZ Productions. It should pull up. Once you pull up to it, you like it and you follow and you subscribe to the page. And once you subscribe to the page, you will be able to keep getting this content, family. Max Crypto News will be moving to only YouTube coming up real soon, family. All right, so I'm just giving y'all heads up. All right, so we're gonna do like we always do. We're gonna take it to coin market cap. Bitcoin is eyeing 20K. It's coming real fast, rapidly, and it's looking real good, family. I can't lie. And the market cap is over $514 billion. So we get the market cap is going up. Bitcoin at $18,251. You got Ethereum that's over $500, family. Ethereum is over $500. Ethereum ain't been over $500 in at least 2-3 years, family. So you got Ether over $500. XRP has got over the 30-cent range. XRP is eyeing 90 cents to $1. That's what XRP look like. It may be headed to around 90 cents, 92 to $1, that range. So that's a good buy if you already been in it. Chainlink up $14 today. It's a real good day. Litecoin at $82.35. Litecoin is like the silver of crypto. You have Bitcoin, which is gold. Litecoin is what you would say the purported silver, because Litecoin was the second one ever made after Bitcoin. So Litecoin always goes up when Bitcoin goes up. Always. It may not go up a certain percentage, but Litecoin always go up. You see it's up 8.89% today, $82.35. You got Polkadot up. It's a real good day. Binance coin up, Cardano at 11 cents, finally got over the 10 cent, 9 cent range. Tron look like it's pushing 3 cents. Stellar getting closer to 9 cents, which is great. It's a great day, family. IOTA still at 20. It went up a penny to 26 cents. So we're gonna take it to some news real fast, family. Again, family, subscribe to NCRBGZ Productions on YouTube so you can keep getting this content, because I'm gonna have to move it from Facebook to YouTube. I have no other choice. So again, subscribe to NCRBGZ Productions on YouTube. Right, so let's look at some of the news, family. Morgan Creek Digital co-founder, he sells his Chevy for Bitcoin. When you start seeing articles like this where people are selling their stuff for Bitcoin, Bitcoin is making major moves, family. Right, so this Morgan Creek Digital founder sells his Chevy. I think it was a Chevy right here. Just sold the murdered out 2007 Suburban for Bitcoin. So when you see people starting to sell their Suburbans for Bitcoin, Bitcoin is making major moves and they're trying to get in. You also got right here, the rapper Logic invests $6 million in Bitcoin. So I'm gonna click this link. The rapper Logic invested $6 million in Bitcoin as latest celebrity to catch crypto bug. So when you start seeing celebrities and stuff investing in crypto, what you see is they trying to jump on the wave, family. They trying to get in. And especially when it comes to Bitcoin, they're trying to get in and they're trying to become a part of it to catch the wave, because everybody saw what happened in 2017, where it went from 4,000 to 20,000. Everybody remember that. So now Bitcoin is making that type of move again. And people like, well, look, I'm not going to sit on the sideline and watch it, family, right? So you got that going on. You got this billionaire, Mike Novogratz, says Bitcoin will hit $65,000. You got these billionaires now saying Bitcoin gonna hit $65,000, and he told the Game of Thrones star Massey Williams, told the Game of Thrones star Massey Williams to buy the world's most popular cryptocurrency. So you got billionaires now telling folks to buy Bitcoin because they see what's going on, right? And that right there, these are signs that Bitcoin is really in a bull market, right? Then you got Ether. Ether, I just was talking about that. Ether hits $500 for the first time since June 2018. So you got ETH that has surpassed $500 now. I know y'all been seeing these videos. Ether was around 3 something, 4 something. It wasn't always at 4 something. Ether was at 3 something, right? And now it's up to $500. Not only that, I can show you some of these cryptos that was 5 and 6 cents. That's up to 10 cents now. You know, so it's just a matter of if you want to get involved. So let's take it to the chart. We're gonna go to Bitcoin chart real fast. I'm not going to be up here this long. But again, family, make sure you go to NCRBGZ Productions on YouTube and make sure that you subscribe to that page to keep getting this content. All right, so this is the Bitcoin chart, family. Let me give me a little coffee. Well, tea anyway. And when you look at this chart, you can see that we had a bullish cross here when the 34 moving average crossed over with the 15-day moving average. And what it did was the price of Bitcoin dipped. And that would have been the best time to buy. But you gotta understand these crosses that you have. Because this cross was a decline in Bitcoin. When the 34-day moving average and the 15-day moving average cross, you have a bull cross or you have a bear cross. This was a bear cross that happened. When you have the bear crosses, the price of Bitcoin, it usually goes down. And when it bottom out, that's the best time to buy. Because what happened? Bitcoin went back up. It went up. So if you're a day trader, and if you would have jumped in at $17,345 when it went to the bottom, and then it goes up to $18,148, that's like an $800 gain that you made for when it hit the bottom to went up. And what you see what happened is, then you had a bull cross. It crossed again. You had a bull cross. And when they had the bull cross, what it did was it started going down and then it took off. And you have to, this is the game, and this is the risk you have to take when you're playing with the 15-day and the 34-day moving average. When they have the bull cross, and when you have the bull cross or the bear cross, sometimes it'll roll over. So you may, but you want to set you a stop loss, because you want to say, okay, well, at a certain price, I'm gonna get out. You know what I'm saying? But we're in the middle of a bull run. And then you got the 200-day moving average. So right now, we over the 15-day moving average and the 34-day moving average right now. So Bitcoin is still just taking moving, family. And so when you look at this, now we overbought. When you look at the RSI, anytime you see it over this means that Bitcoin is overbought. Right now we're overbought, but luckily we had that pullback. That pullback got us under. That was a great thing to have this pullback because we was overbought. And usually when we overbought, you're gonna have a pullback. Well, we had our pullback and we bottomed out around here around 17,300. But then we took back off. But as long as we under the RSI, we got a lot of volume. That's good volume. Like right now, it's looking good, family. Bitcoin is looking real good. What I do is I'm gonna go to the Litecoin chart and let y'all see a little bit about Litecoin. We'll look at the LTC because all right, so we'll take it to the Litecoin chart. So now when you look at the Litecoin chart, all right, now I told y'all, look at this. Litecoin, this is Litecoin. This is when I actually went and brought some. I'm gonna tell y'all. I brought me some Litecoin when it got to around $60. 60 when it dipped down around $60, I said let me get some because I ain't gonna front. At first I had forgot about Litecoin. So if I would have been having my thinking cap on, I would have got Litecoin way before this. If I would have had my thinking cap on, I probably would have got it. This is November. I would have got it way before I got it. But I actually got Litecoin when it dipped down around $60. That's what I said. You know what? Let me jump in because I saw Litecoin went from $45 to around. It went from 45 to 60, and it was above. And I was like, man, you idiot! Like, how you forget Litecoin? You know Litecoin gonna go up. So what I said was, hold up. It dipped. I saw it, and it hit the 200-day moving average, and under the 200-day moving average. I said, let me buy. I brought it in right around here, around $56, $60. I was like, let me get it. I went on and got me some. And I'm glad I did, because you can see that since it was at that area, what has Litecoin did? It touched the 200-day moving average. And when it touched the 200-day moving average, it took off. And this is usually our support. The 200-day moving average is usually your support. The 200-day moving average is the green. It's the green line. That's usually our support. That if it touched that, it bounces up. So what it did was it touched it and it took off. So then it had a major push right here. It goes from $71 up to $82. So like with me, I'm already $20 for each Litecoin that I brought. I done gained $20 for each one. And so now you can see, when you look at this, you see you had the 34 and the 15-day moving average cross right here. This was a bullish cross, but when it crossed, it went up. Then it crossed again. You can see where it crossed and it had the bearish cross. With the bearish cross, it dipped. And then what it did, it took off. So when you look at the projection right now, and I'm going a little further in there, I usually don't do this. It was overbought. Again, you see all the RSI. You can see how Litecoin was overbought. That's when it went up. When it went up like that, you always want to have a correction. So the RSI is not overbought. It has to correct itself and get back in here. You want it to stay within here. Because if it's over there, it's overbought. That means too many people is buying it, and it's gonna correct. So I'm glad to see that we have these red cycles. It's correcting, and it's getting from overbought and getting down there. You see the volume going down. See, when it was here with all this green, oh, that's a bad sign. That means it's overbought and everybody buying it. So it needs to get correct. We got the correction, family. So now you can see that with Litecoin, it's moving sideways. Now, if you want to see where the next resistance line for Litecoin I might have to get out of this. Then I'm gonna stop. I ain't gonna go no further. I'm gonna let y'all see where you would say the next resistance for Litecoin may be. From where is that? I probably need to go into the 1 year chart. All right. So, all right. I don't know. We got to go a little further because this was the last resistance right here. So let me get out of this. I had to go to the 5 year chart to see where. See, this is uncharted territory. Okay, here we go. Litecoin ain't been all right. So now we right here around $82. So right here. So you would say the next resistance for Litecoin, I will put it here. It's around 100. What's this one right here? That's $92 could be a resistance line for Litecoin. Around $90.87, and then $106 would be the next one. Then around like 123 and 140. But this is where, so right now for Litecoin it's no resistance for Litecoin really, unless you want to be very technical and say $89.68 is the next resistance. You can say $89.68 the next resistance. And then once you get past $89, the next resistance is 106, family. So let me get out of this. But it's looking good, family. You can even look at XRP. I'm not gonna show what time is it. You know, I'll show y'all XRP real fast. So when you look at the XRP chart, it finally had a breakout. What am I doing in 1 minute? Let me do the 1 hour. All right. XRP finally had its breakout. There's a lot of Ripple fans everywhere. We got Ripple fans everywhere. But XRP really haven't really had that bull run yet. And you can see that it's due a bull run. XRP is due one. And you can see by this hourly chart that it kind of like had one. Well, not a complete bull run, but it's in the midst of a nice run right now. So you can see it at 30, it's at 31 cents. It's in a run. Now XRP, you can look at that 28 cents. Look at these buys for this mess, man. Yo, I don't understand. 28 cents. But XRP, I mean, if I get out of here, you can see buys 26, even further. If I take y'all further, man, look at this shit. 24 cents. 21 cents. Like, you could have brought XRP. Look at this, 22 cents. It was even cheaper. But it's on the move now, though. I ain't gonna front. It's moving, but it's about to be overbought. XRP got a halving coming in. It's about to halve. December the 12th, it's gonna do a halving. So that means for every XRP you get one of the new coin. I think it's Stash. I could be wrong with the name of the coin, but it's about to halve. So usually coins pump before they halve. So XRP is getting this move. The chart, there was the 34. So you had a bullish cross right here. And with the bullish cross, you see that it went up and it's been going up since this bullish cross. Before the bullish cross, this was the bearish cross. And you can see with the bearish cross, it went down. It tried to consolidate, come back up, and it went back down. But now we had the bullish cross, and now it's going up. Now you see that the red and blue is starting to get close to each other. This is the resistance right here. So right now, 27 cent is the resistance line for it. It's at 31 cent. That's good. And it's going good, man. It's a lot of resistance though. This gonna have to consolidate. This ain't gonna keep going up because it's almost overbought. You can look at this and see that it's almost overbought. So it's gonna be overbought eventually. Once you get up in here, it's overbought. All this green is overbought right now. So it's gonna have to consolidate. So you can expect XRP to have a consolidation wherein it may not be a red. I bet if I change to the 5 minute, get out the 1 hour and get into the 5 minute one, you can see a red one. See, it's already one there. You see, it has to consolidate. If it don't consolidate, you see the red, it has to consolidate. And it was already overbought. When I go into the 5 minute chart, you see that it's been overbought. So it's already starting to consolidate and come back down. So you can expect it to at least come, well, get under 31 cent, so it can get back in the right SI, so it consolidate. It has to. But with that being said, family, remember, subscribe to NCRBGZ Productions on YouTube. Max Crypto News will be moving to NCRBGZ Productions on YouTube. That's going to be the only place that I'm going to be giving this information at, family. I'm not going to be going live on these pages no more real soon. So make sure you subscribe to NCRBGZ Productions to keep getting this information. Like the video, leave a comment, tell me what you think. I appreciate y'all, man. Love y'all. Y'all stay safe and make sure y'all get involved, man. Don't let the rocket leave the station without being hooked up to that. So get you a seat on that rocket, man. Make sure you take this ride and make sure you parachute out before it come falling down. You know what I'm saying? So you don't catch that rapid fall down. At least with a parachute, you come down a little bit slower than a rapid falling, right? So you want to be prepared. In other words, that's what I'm saying. With that being said, peace, family. Y'all enjoy y'all day.